Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unblock website blocked by the administrator. We're going to go for this website called proxy list, free VPN proxy server list. So before that, we just need to create a new tab, go for this three dot button and then go for settings and then go for this system over here. And then from here, you just need to open your computer's proxy setting, click on that. And from here, you just need to manually proxy setup, click on setup and now use a proxy server over here and going to click on the Chrome and going to click on this proxy list, free proxy server list over here. So if you just want to get it from these countries, I will going to go for United States. And if I click on United States, after that you will get the proxy address over here. So I'm going to copy the proxy address over here right now. Going to copy it. And going to give the proxy IP address over here. And now I need to add the port. For that, I'm going to copy this 615090. It's an port code and going to give the port code over here. And simply then click on save. And that's it. Now you are able to go any of your website that is blocked or that is not giving you permission to go in. Now you can simply check it by simply add the port over here. So these two methods will be solved your problem in 2025. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.